Hey guys, we're back in the kitchen. We're going to be making gluten-free vegan biscuits today. Are you ready? All the dry ingredients. We're gonna get 4 tablespoons of vegan butter. I love the Miyoko's butter. I'm gonna be using 4 tablespoons, which is a quarter of a cup. And we're gonna put your butter in the middle. And use your whisk to kind of cut it up. We're going to use half a cup of canned coconut milk. You're gonna mix the coconut milk into the mix with a spoon, lightly. Create like a slab, making it however thick you want to be, keeping in mind that these are gluten-free so they won't rise. So make them as thick as you want them to be. I'm going to keep it at about 1 inch thick. And we're going to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to cut out the little biscuit. And there we have our tray of biscuits. Our oven is at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put the biscuits in.